So today let's look at a very basic mortgage monthly payment calculator. So maybe you've seen this online and you wanted to make your own copy for your own reference purposes. Let's go ahead and run through this. Let's go ahead and put in a loan amount here of 400,000, an interest rate of 3.5%, and a loan length of 30 years. So we can do some quick formatting here, maybe add some currency, get rid of those decimal points there. And then under monthly payments, this is the formula, and I'm going to show you step by step of how to build this. So the formula we're looking for is called payment. And so in payment, we have a couple different things. We have rate, so this is going to be the interest rate, the number of periods that the loan payment is going to be calculated over, and then present value. And so those are kind of the big things that you need. So the rate is right here. Now the confusing part here is if you're doing a monthly payment, you actually need to divide the interest rate by 12. And so we're not just doing 3.5%, we're doing divided by 12. Next, number of periods. And again, if you're doing monthly, this is years. So unless this is in months, then what we're gonna have to do is select this and then times that by 12. And so if you've converted these into monthly interest rate and month loan length, then you won't need that, but that's sometimes where people get hung up. Finally, present value, and that is simply the loan amount. At this point, we can hit enter, and we are basically there. Now, one thing is if you want that to display as a positive number, just add negative at the beginning. And then you can see that $17.96 will be our monthly mortgage payment calculated based on this loan amount and interest rate and loan length. And so from here, we can add a couple bonus things. So we can just add this times 12 to get what we'll pay every year. And I did 812 somehow, not 12. And then total paid is going to be this times 30 years. And then we can figure out our interest based on total paid minus the loan amount. And there we go. Now we have a couple quick things here. And so we can simply adjust our metrics here and see that adjustment. Simple and easy as that.